A gas turbine combustion chamber must maintain stable flame over wide conditions. A common combustion chamber type in modern engines is annular combustor. Primary air in the combustor is mainly used for flame stabilization and combustion. Secondary or dilution air in the combustor primarily cools and dilutes hot gases to turbine entry temperature. Swirl vanes in the combustor promote recirculation and stable flame. Carbon deposits in a combustor usually indicate incorrect atomization or poor combustion. An annular combustor is characterized by a single continuous burner ring. Turbine inlet temperature is limited mainly by turbine material and cooling capability. In a reaction turbine stage, expansion occurs in both nozzle and rotor. Turbine blades are usually made from nickel-based super alloys. Creep in turbine blades is slow permanent deformation at high temperature and stress. One method of cooling turbine blades is internal air passage and film cooling. Thermal barrier coatings (TBC) on turbine parts reduce heat transfer to metal. A typical sign of turbine damage on borescope inspection is cracks, tip burning, or missing material. The function of turbine nozzle guide vanes is to direct and accelerate gas flow onto turbine blades. The exhaust cone in a turbojet is designed to provide smooth gas flow and support for tailpipe. A convergent exhaust nozzle is suitable for subsonic exit velocities up to Mach 1. A variable area exhaust nozzle is often used to match compressor and turbine at different power settings. A choked nozzle condition exists when mass flow is constant despite further pressure drop. Thrust reversers on high bypass turbofans normally act on fan stream. A cascade thrust reverser uses doors that expose cascade vanes to deflect fan flow. A typical safety feature in thrust reverser systems is mechanical and electrical interlocks preventing in-flight deployment. Reverse thrust is normally most effective at high forward speeds and decreases as speed reduces. An exhaust gas leak into the nacelle may cause overheating and fire risk. Engine trimming is the process of adjusting fuel control to achieve specified thrust or EPR by N1. Noise suppressors in exhaust systems are fitted mainly to reduce acoustic emissions. A long tailpipe that increases back pressure will reduce thrust. Specific thrust of a gas turbine engine is thrust per unit mass airflow. One disadvantage of thrust reverser use is possible ingestion of fog or snow. Core reversers are less effective on high bypass engines because core flow is small fraction of total thrust.